Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm just gonna share with you guys, I got my Boxycharm, and I just wanted to quickly share with you guys what I received. I did open and just kind of peek at it, but I didn't open any of the products or anything. This is my third month now getting Boxycharm. So far I've kept just a few things out of the boxes and mostly kept everything else for a giveaway for you guys. But yeah, so this is what it looks like here. It has a little thing, which everybody's probably familiar with. It has the list of products here. And I noticed on the back it has introducing the bigger Boxycharm, Boxycharm Premium. So it's saying you can now get it for $35, limited quantities starting in November. So you have to sign up at the Boxycharm. I believe the price is going up for the original that I'm getting up to $25 instead of $22 and some change. So I think I may do that because I want to try it and see, and if I don't like it, I'll just go back down because they're switching the price to $25, so for $10 more, you can get a lot more products. So yeah, I think I'm going to do that for sure for the next month. So let's just go ahead and quickly go through what we received. The first thing that I see here is looks like a lip product from Iconic London. Hopefully it's focusing. Usually takes a minute. Okay, so it says it's a lip plumping gloss. Its plumping glosses are the ultimate non-sticky plumping power with high shine collagen production, and it's like a nudie color. It's really pretty, like a pinky nude. It smells very minty, has that nice dome applicator. I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not. I'm not going to swatch it because I'm not really into plumping glosses. They burn my lips, so I may save this for a future giveaway. It's a really, really pretty pinky nude though. The next product I see is from Tarte. It is the Tarte Pro Glow Liquid Highlighter in the color Stunner. Tarte is one of my absolute favorite brands. And let's see. So it says, glow like a goddess with this creamy highlighter that builds from sheer to intense, ultra concentrated pigments and pearls in a hybrid gel formula. It can be mixed with foundation or wear alone. Has wear alone, rose water. And it says that this retails for $29. Oh, and I forgot to tell you that the lip gloss retails for $26. That's pretty pricey for a plumping gloss. So yeah, it has like a squeezy tube there. I love Tarte. I may give this a try. I may not. I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to keep it, but either way, I'll either try it or put it away for a giveaway. And then the next thing I see is from Illuminati Cosmetic Sponge. It's just your average sponge. It does say that it's an edgeless, reusable, high-definition cosmetic sponge, and it retails for $21. I do like to try out all kinds of sponges. It's not super hard, and it's kind of squishy, so that might be really, really nice once it's damp. Yeah, so I may try that. I like that. And then I got this Glassy Pretty Filter Balm. Sorry for the glare. And it says here, Touch and Soul, I think is the brand. It says it's an ultra hydrating priming skin balm with a sensational smooth texture that melts into your skin and creates the ultimate glow that lasts throughout the day. It does retail for $32. That's pretty pricey. Oh, the packaging is super, super cute. I love the packaging, very cute. Has a little lid on it. Oh, I was thinking it was going to be like a jelly. It's just like a cream. It looks like cream. It's kind of thick. It smells really nice. can't wait to give that a try because I have dry skin, so I think I would like that. I'll definitely update you guys and let you know what I think. And then the last item I see here in the box, it is from Dose of Colors. I don't have any eyeshadows from them. I do have one of their lip products, their lip stains, but nothing else. This is the Marvelous Mauves. Definitely colors that I do like. And it says that it's a 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. It's a great way to try boldness, eye looks, and it retails for $32. The packaging is very, very pretty. And this is what they look like. So yeah, and it does come with a little brush. It looks like a small little brush. And then it has like a pointy side. It looks like mine is a little damaged, just a little bit, but I don't know if I'm going to keep this or not because it's not my, I don't necessarily need another palette, but I'm going to decide. I may just try it and see what it's like, and if I don't like it, I could pass it along. But yeah, I would have to say this overall is a really good box. I think I may keep everything except the gloss, and the only reason is because, like I said, I'm not good with plumping glosses. They tend to burn my lips. The only ones I'm able to even wear are the Boxycharm plumping glosses because they don't really burn. They're not really irritating on the lips. So I may keep this, I may not. I may try it, and if I don't like it. But yeah, overall, I would have to say that this was a pretty good box. So like I said, this was $32 for the palette. The balm was $32 as well. There's already $64 there. Definitely covers the price of the box for sure. And then you have this iconic gloss, which retails for $26. I'm just adding that up real quick because my math is not that great. And then we have the Tarte's, which I've always wanted to try. I like liquid highlighters. I love Tarte. This retails for $29. And then we have the sponge, which retails for $21. I think that's about the price that the Beauty Blender runs. So that is kind of pricey for a sponge. I like the Real Techniques, the e.l.f. Sponge. Those are just affordable sponges that are just as good and are way down in price. But yeah, so this box retailed for $140. I think that's absolutely worth it. I will link the Boxycharm website down in the description below. If you have not tried it, definitely give them a try. I think that you would like it. It's like I said, they're raising the price from $22 and some change to $25 a month. But I definitely think that this box was worth it. $140 worth of product for $22 and some change. I definitely think that I got a great deal. I will try some of these products out and let you know what I think of them, if I liked them or not. But yeah, that's going to complete this video. It's just a quick video sharing with you guys what I got in my Boxycharm. But this is going to complete this video. If you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.